Hello guys. Okay, so yeah, this morning I did a little bit of project with a friend of mine. So what happened is that actually we did a wrap. Okay, so it's the second time actually I'm doing the wrap on my own. So yes, I'm gonna change the color of my hood. Just trying out DIY wrapping. I think we spent a good 1 hour just trying to wrap the hood. Not easy, first timer trying it out. So let me show you how it looks like right now. We haven't cut the edges yet, so you can still see some edges around here. I'm very scared to cut the edges because I scared later my wrap will just come off. So what I did was that me and my friend, we decided to go with the cheaper wrap just to try out since it's our first time, and surprisingly I think we did pretty well. Okay, just that we haven't cut the edges, so later I will show you how it looks like once I have the hood somewhat like a black. I think it's more like a matte gray color thing surface. Okay, looks pretty okay. Last time I did try to wrap my wing mirror, but it's a total failure. Disaster happened. Okay, so changing the looks. Let's see if we can do this successfully. We're gonna try out on the whole vehicle. Yeah, I'm gonna change the color of my whole vehicle. Okay, time to heat it up. Okay, let's heat up the edge here. So you want the glue to activate at the same time. You also want the edge of this wrap to be a bit more relaxed. Okay, actually I'm just blowing everything so that it sticks together, right? Okay, let me do properly. We are only 80% good enough because we are still using scissors only. Okay, this is the moment of truth. Okay, so yes, I wrapped my car, but not entirely because we are still in the testing stages. So we went and got some really cheap wrap material, no, not those branded ones like 3M or what, but I got some, and then I wrapped my front hood. So the reason I want to do this is because at my place where I park my car, there is quite a bit of tree sap coming down, you know, so it has been causing a little bit of problem for me. It has caused some damages to my paint. I think a little bit more and my clear coat might be off, which is not good. So that's why I decided that, you know, I will actually either do a painting job, or, you know, I will actually what do you call that? I have to wrap it to protect the paint. Yeah, so the decision is that I want to try out wrapping instead of painting because it's something interesting to me. So yeah, and I already did it, so looks really exciting. Okay, sorry about that. Earlier I have to pump petrol, so we cannot use the phone at the petrol station. Yeah, so how's the process of doing wrap by yourself? Is it easy? No. Okay, so if you ever wrap your car and then you start complaining that it's very expensive and all that, come on guys, you're paying for the labor. Doing it by yourself is a it's a back-breaking kind of process. Okay, definitely not easy. It's unless you're very professional, you have a lot of training. One-man job is possible.
Reported ahead. Reminds me of Gotham City.
One-man job is possible, but if you are not trained like myself, you need at least a friend to help you out. Okay, otherwise you will face difficulty because it requires a lot of stretching, pulling, and it does take up a lot of energy. Okay, at the end of the day, it does feel a little bit tired actually. But am I satisfied with the result? At least the color suits my car, I think. Okay, anyway, looks is subjective, right? You can choose like it, you can choose not to like it. That's entirely up to you. But this is my car, I can do whatever I want to it. Alright, and yeah, like I said, maybe I will consider changing the color of my car. Let's maybe make it rainbow color. But let's see how then. Okay, so later once I reach my home, let me show you the done. Overall, I think the quality of wrap that we have chose is, of course, it's a low quality one. That's why it's cheap. So there's some imperfection, but I think it as a learning experience. Once we get a little bit better, perhaps then I can switch to a more expensive wrap where they have a bit of a better quality. And yeah, okay, so here's the first look of my new hood. Okay, now wrapped in this matte gray finish, right? So then again, of course, there were some imperfections, you know, because we are still very new, and first time doing this, right? And there's a bit of imperfection of the sticker, but anyway, I just want to try it out, you know, just to give my paint a bit of protection from the tree sap. And so I couldn't care a lot about these imperfections in the sticker itself. Okay, probably this is due to my problem, I do not know. Okay, but at least the edges all looks pretty okay, no funny looking thing. Oops, that is a little bit of bubble here. Alright, so all this will show under the sun when you heat it up. Always, yeah. And probably if you have imperfect paint, yeah, this all will come up as well. Okay, let's give it a cure for a bit of time. So do you like the looks of this car? Now, with this matte gray finish, should I change my car's color to to this color, or you think I should change it to a different color? Okay, share in the comments below, let me know, and I will change the car's color bit by bit according to what you all want. Alright, thanks for watching Tons and Speed, and remember to subscribe, like and share the video. Okay, thank you guys.